I think the problem with networking is the fact that it's got labelled networking, if I'm honest. Because if you were asked to just go and have a chat with someone without any purpose behind it, you'd probably be okay doing it. You might say, well, actually, I'm not that great at small talk, but you'd find something to do it with. Or you'd let the other person instigate that conversation. But somehow when we put this label of networking, it becomes more onerous. So I'd just like to demystify and give you a few hints and tips and thoughts on networking. And I've been speaking on this as a topic since November 2000. I spoke at a conference held in Cambridge, run by the Junior Chamber. JCI is an organisation for those in their 20s and 30s that want to develop leadership management skills. And I spoke at their leadership conference in Cambridge in November 2000, just after I'd set up my business. Previously, I worked for Barclays on their training team, and they said, would you come and do a session on networking? Because I'd had to do it when I worked for Barclays. I'd had to do it through my membership of other organisations as well and promote just me, but equally what the bank was doing and those sorts of things. So I thought, okay, I'll happily run a session on networking. So I went to do my research, and I decided at that point, we didn't have the Google, so you go down and you use the library. And you ask for books on network. I know this is a novel concept these days, but you ask for books on networking at the library. And they sent me to the computer section. Because at that time, networking was where it was the computer network. But if you think about it, when a computer is networked, it's connected up with lots of other things. When you are networked, you're also connected up with lots of other people, groups. LinkedIn enables you to see who's in your immediate network, second and third connections. So it's a way of finding out. So networking is about connections. But equally, it's not just about making connections, it's about somehow managing to build that relationship.